Let's do some intentional diaphragmatic breathing together. We're going to first start by just taking some normal, regular breaths. We want relaxed face, relaxed shoulder, relaxed neck, relaxed arms, and focus on breathing. As we breathe, we're going to inhale through our nose and exhale through the nose, focusing on filling the lungs with air, and then exhaling, releasing all of the air from the lungs. Again, we're still just taking some regular breaths before we get into a little slower, deeper, and intentional breathing. So take your hands and place them on your ribs, the back, the side, and the front, because our ribs cover all three of those areas. And now we're going to relax our shoulders, neck, and face, and we're going to inhale for the count of 4. Filling up the lungs as we pull that air through the nose and expand of the ribs. And then exhale for 6. Inhale for 4. Exhale for 6. And on that exhale, we're exhaling out of the nose and emptying the lungs slowly and intentionally. Inhale for 4, filling up the lungs, feeling our rib cage press against our hands because our lungs are expanding. And then when we exhale for 6, we feel that contraction because the lungs are releasing the oxygen throughout the nose. Our shoulders, our neck, our face are all relaxed. And we are inhaling through the nose for a 4 count. And on that exhale, we want to exhale, release that oxygen. And on the very bottom of that exhale, imagine if someone's taking their finger to poke you in the belly button, but they don't want you to touch. You don't want them to touch you. So you take and scoop and bring in that belly button all the way in to let that oxygen out. Inhale for 4, expand the rib cage, fill the lungs. Exhale for 6, release and contract of the rib cage as the lungs empty. We have a relaxed face, a relaxed shoulders, relaxed jaw, relaxed neck. Inhale for a 4 count, filling up. Exhale for 6 and tuck that belly button in and up on the bottom of the exhale. Inhale for 4. Exhale for 6. Inhale for a 4 count. Fill your lungs. Expand those ribs on the back, the sides, and the front. Exhale out the nose. All of that air. Pulling your belly button in and up. Relax shoulders, relax neck, relax face. Now we're going to go into some box breathing. Before we do that, take a couple of normal breaths. And here we're going to inhale with the 4 count, hold it at the top for a 4, and then exhale 6. So let's go ahead and inhale for a 4 count. Hold it for 4. Exhale for a 6 count. Hold it for 2 at the bottom. Inhale for 4. Hold it for 4. Exhale for 6. Inhale for 4, filling our lungs. Hold that breath for 4 seconds. And then completely empty for 6 out of the nose. Inhale for 4 through the nose. Hold that breath at the top for a 4 count. And exhale out the nose for a 6 count. Inhale for a 4, filling those lungs. Hold it for 4. And exhale for 6. All of that air completely emptied out of the lungs, out of the nose.